Hello everyone. All right, proof that I have no self-control. I have one more mystery box. This is my last one, I promise, from 49 and Market. And this one is due to a commenter on my first video, Dreafin7320, who had told me what they got in their box. And so I was just like, I guess I'm gonna try to risk it because I wanted kind of the little journal pouch. Yeah, so $59.99 down just for the chance of getting a journal pouch. I'm a sucker. But I figure I would share it with you all so we can kind of go through this last one to see what I get, and hopefully there are no dupes or few dupes. So Drea got their box from Scrapmania, so that's where this one's from. My first two boxes, which I was lucky enough not to get any duplicates on, was from scrapbook.com. So let's see if there's any differences. Right? Okay. Oh no. I feel like no, this is good. There's some similarities, but I see different things in here too. So yay, let's go through it all. All right, first up, I got word clips. I didn't get these in any of my previous boxes, so got them here in rose gold. And then more flowers, this time in canary. I got these baubles, but I don't think bubbles and baubles, but I don't think I got them in mango. So I think this is a new colorway for me, which is great. All right, some more tickets. These I have in Grove and Peach, and I feel like I've got a lot of tickets now. I don't think I'm going to use them all, so I'm not sure. I guess I'll find new happy homes for them. This one is a dupe. It is the washi tape stickers for the Christmas Spectacular collection, but can never have too many washi tape stickers for Christmas. Start creating cards in July and kind of building up my stash for the Christmas season. And then this one is new, washi tape stickers. So this is in the Rouge colorway, and I was kind of bummed I didn't get these in any of my other boxes, so I'm super happy to see it in this one. And these all. Okay. Oh, as you can see there. Oh no. Oh no. It's a flower suicide. All right. As you can see there, they're all kind of stickers, so they'll pop up theoretically easily, which is great. I use a lot of washi tape stickers on my aesthetic journaling, and actually even in my bullet journal that I do. So these will be put to good use. I'm also happy to see that I get a roll of the lace washi tape in Salsa. So this is beautiful, and it's a nice colorway. My favorite color is red too, so I cannot be mad by getting anything red. Look how pretty that is. That's very nice. I wonder what the other ones look like. Bear with me, people. Bear with me. Oh, look how nice that is. That's just great. That's such a great, element to add to any kind of background, to add interest. And this one, I feel, is kind of along the same lines. Yeah, look at that. That's so nice. Right, and then on the other side, the envelope bits, which I cannot be mad at. This is also an inkwell, which is what my first collage papers were in, that same color, so this will build nicely with them. And I just love using these as like backgrounds for sort of collages or clusters. More of these tidal wave mini index clips. So now I've got lots of them. So more Moonlit Garden ephemera bits, but I cannot be mad at this. I love this colorway. It's so pretty and neutral. And yeah, I think Moonlit Garden is the packet that I used, the Ultimate Kit card kit. Well, it was not a card kit. The Ultimate Page Kit, I think is what it was called. But it was this colorway that I used to create my card. And I loved just how soft and subtle it was. And, you know, love of frames, love of apothecary boxes, so super happy to get this. And then along the same red color line is the Essential File set. I'm loving these little files. Yeah, kind of thinking there's so many options I can use these for. So kind of thinking if I want to build a journal out of them or use them as backgrounds. I don't know. So many options, things I can do. I can also kind of build a storage for a lot of my stickers and other sort of art journal supplies that I have, so may use that for that. All right, more rub-ons, which I cannot be mad at. This is in the Sunbeam, so what a pretty yellow colorway, and always so useful. And then Lavender rub-on transfer set. So this is 6 full sheets and just loving it. I love that they've got sort of words and sort of sentiments that you can use here, and then other elements that you can kind of layer in and really kind of just add some extra zhuzh to anything that you're kind of making. And then this paper, which is amazing. I don't even know what the GSM on it is, but it's pretty heavy. I would say probably 100, maybe 110 pound GSM. But 6x8 mini collection pack for the color swatch of Ocean. Love it. I really am a sucker for this light blue too. It always appeals to me. Oh, look, second dupe. Here is the Inkwell collage sheets. But I love these, so I am not mad at all. I have some laser cut elements, which, you know, I'm so super impressed by these elements that they make. 49 at Market just does everything quality. It's superb. And this one is in the color swatch Lavender, which is so pretty. Oh, I think, did I have this? I don't think I did. Oh, so I'm super excited to have this one. This is washi tape sheets. So a full sheet of the washi paper. And this is from their, I think, Vintage Artistry Anywhere collection. And so I love that there's a map on the back. I'm a sucker for maps. And yeah, all of this definitely will be easy to use. I have a set of chipboard stickers from the Naturalist collection, and look how pretty they are. They're just beautiful. And because they're stickers, they've got like the adhesive on the back, so love it. All right, so next, a Spectrum Gardenia Cluster Kit. And this is my third dupe, I guess. But these cluster kits look really, really fun. So I am not mad at all to get a second one of these. Next is another dupe, the Nature Study General Elements, but these laser cuts, but they're such high quality that I cannot be mad. Not be mad at all for getting another set. This is new though. This is the Curator's Essential Book Plates. I didn't get this last time, and I kind of wanted these, so I'm super excited to see them. with a lot of my aesthetic journaling. We build off of stuff like this, so this is going to be great foundation pieces. And then another set of journals, but this one is new to me. So these are the Christmas Spectacular Spiral Notebook set. So both sizes, the larger and the smaller. And it's super fun with the tabs. And yeah, I'm still thinking about what I'm going to do with my other ones. I think I'm going to turn it into storage. So I think I'll do the same thing with the Christmas ones too. You can never have too much storage. All right, next I have rub-on transfer sheets. And this is the Spice Sentiments, which is beautiful, really big. These I can definitely see putting on the front of a card, doing a card front with these, which will be great. And then not mad at all to get those butterflies. Next is the 12 by 12 Christmas Spectacular Color Wash Rub-on Transfer Sheet. And once again, card fronts, not mad at all about getting these. And Christmas always comes in handy, so happy to have that. Interestingly enough, I didn't get a page kit, but I've got some loose paper. So I think there's more sheets than what I got in my kit, my previous kits. This is, I think they're upside down. This is Garden Notes by Katie Pertiet. Which is pretty. And then this one's called Fleur. It's all part, I guess, of the Vintage Artistry collection. How pretty. Another Garden Note. So I guess this is a duplicate, but I am not mad at those colors. This one is called Summer Porch. Solids, paper 4. And that's the back side. Modern Romance. How pretty is this? In the back. This is part of the Christmas Spectacular. This is colored foundation paper 4. It's nice. And then a really nice bright orange on the back. This is called Tranquil. I'm showing you prepping. Nice neutral on the back. Another Tranquil. This one's called Fleur. I think this is, yeah, okay, the Fleur's a repeat. And then this one is the Christmas one, so that's a repeat. And another Fleur, so I'm getting a lot of repeats actually. And then this last one is Summer Porch Solids Paper 3. Really pretty red on the back. So, all in all, pretty happy with this. Did I need another mystery box? No. Am I bummed that I didn't get the pouch? Yes. Yes, but, you know, 49 of Market makes it so worthwhile. So, you know, even though I have a couple of dupes and then some repeats on the paper, I am not upset. The quality is really good. So probably should have stopped at 2, but you know, I'm not going to buy any more. That's for sure. Thanks everyone.